Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is my teacher Aisha Rizwan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today video is really very interesting. If you are worried like in plurals, when S come, when ES come, when to use IES and when to use VES. So in this video I am going to give you a very interesting trick, and I'm sure after this video you will say that it was worth watching. And if you still didn't subscribe yet, go and do it now because all my videos are so interesting and I just started my channel. I'm trying my best to upload very tricky and good videos. In the last video, I have taught you about how to write formal and informal letter and also how to write essay. Go and watch it now. Let's start the video. So, see, there is two categories of the words that I'm going to explain here: regular and irregular plurals. So you have to learn according to that. First of all, we are going to learn for the regular plurals and what are they, how we can use these in regular. Now, there is a general rule where you put s, you know that, like cat will become cats, book will become books. This is the general rule. Now, if any word is ending with s, sh, ch, x or z, in these type of words you are going to use es. For example, box, x. So you just keep in your mind it is s, sh, ch, x, s. S, sh, ch, x, z. So you are going to use with these words es. Okay, this is very important. So the words ending with these you are going to use es. Now, next, if the word is ending with y, you are going to replace y with ies. Baby, babies, party, parties. So y is going to replace with ies, and x we have to add with these words more es, but we don't replace, but here we are going to replace s with ies. But if before y there is an vowel, like vowel words like a, e, I, o, u, these are the vowel letters. If these letter will come before y, you don't have to change y with ies, you just simply s right after y. Like you say key, if you see y before y there is vowel, e is a vowel, you just write s with after y, keys, boy. Before y there is vowel, so boys will come. Here before y there is not vowel, so babies. So whenever there is vowel before y, you just add s, and if there is not a vowel letter before y, you just replace y with ies. Now, if the noun ending with O, you have to write ES after that. Like potato, you just write ES. Hero, heroes. So, if whenever the word ends with O, you just add ES after O. You don't have to replace. Only in Y you are replacing if there is no vowel before Y. Or if it is ending, you just add es after o. But in some musical terms, you only write s. For example, piano. Piano is a musical instrument, so you just write piano with s. Plural will become pianos, not es. So for the musical, you just add s, and if it's not musical, you have to add es with o. Now we talked about the regulars. Now we will go with irregular plurals. For example, there are some words where the vowel changes only. You have to change vowel only. Like men. In men you change e is vowel, so it become men will become men. Woman will become woman. Vowel will change here. E only, not o. O is also vowel, that we will change here only. Tooth will become teeth. Feet. Foot will become feet. Goose will become geese. Noun with same singular and plural forms. Now here there are some words where the singular and plural are same. That is sheep, deer, Fish, you can say fish or fishes also, because I told you sh you have to replace with es. I told you before. So here, let me, yeah, see, in these word you will write es also with o. So now here you will write sheep with sheep, deer with deer, fish also you can say fish, but also fishes. Now noun ending with f or fe you have to change with y, ves with f or fe. For example, wolf will wolf, knife with knife, fe. So it will become ves. You have to replace f with ves. Now y and fe or f is replacing only, but except roof and chef. Roof and chef will not change. It will be same but with s. So this is a trick of learning. And one more thing, but last but not least, noun with Latin or Greek origin like allumus, cactus, crisis, phenomena. You have to change the like that. Okay, allumus will become alumni, cactus, cacti, crisis, crisis, phenomena, phenomenon. Phenomenon will become phenomena. So there are some tricks for learning plurals, like learn the common patterns, like I told you before. Use like you have to use all the techniques that I teach you and I write also for you. So that's it for now. If you want a further explanation or any other trick of learning, just let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to follow, because it will show me that I have to work hard for you to show you all the trick and hacks of learning. See you next time. All the best. Do subscribe. Follow me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.